Hey girlfriends, well I'm up and I am in my slow Sunday garb that I wear. Usually it's a sweatsuit. Other times it'll be, a t-shirt. Depends on the weather. But yes, this is what I walk around in on Sunday. It's great for taking the dog outside, etc., etc. But anyway, come on into the kitchen because I'm going to start on what I was telling you earlier. I'm making a butter garlic boneless pork chops. Mm, I think you're gonna like it. It's very quick, and I'm gonna add some salad with it to keep it light and part of our clean eating regimen. So, let's go on into the kitchen. So, I'm up and I am making my dinner. As you can see, this is a pork loin, center cut, boneless pork chop. It's really thick. I'm going to slice it into two pieces, and it's from farms I use, Liberty to Life. It's a local farm here, and that's what I'm talking about as far as clean eating goes. My plan is to try out different farms in this area to see which one, I'm liking. Oh, as a matter of fact, it's already in two pieces. Well, you know what? I'm going to slice them into two more pieces, I think, because I want them thin. Thick pork chops are okay, but I like them when they're thinner. So as you can see, look at this. Look how nice and thick they are. I'm going to go ahead and slice them in half. If my knife will work fine. Oh my goodness, my knife is not sharp today. All right, so see this here? I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in half. That's one right here, one right here. Other one. I'm getting spoiled, I'm telling you, because the flavor is so much better with farm fresh food. I'm telling you. Let me go ahead and cut this one in half. All right. This ripped a little bit, but that's okay. So I have this here, and I have my own type of seasoning that I use on them. It's a blend of different spices that I use, and I'll list them in my description. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and get them seasoned all up, just like this. And don't forget to season both sides. I don't know why some people that I've seen will just season meat on one side. You gotta have flavor on both sides. All right. This just makes it easier when I mix my own blends together. That way I don't have to keep taking a whole bunch of containers out of the pantry. And I have a lot of seasonings. So I'm doing that. And then I'm also spreading a little bit of baking powder over them too, because I want them to crisp up. So I'm going to put a little bit of baking powder on them. They're so nice and juicy, I'm telling you. In the meantime, I'm going to get my pan started. And with my pan, I have some butter here. Let me bring you over so you can get a better view. Got my pan. And here's my butter. I'm going to cut this up. And I'm also going to put a little bit of oil in there. So let me just open this up all together. Do this. Cut them into pieces because this is still kind of hard. Stick into my knife. But anyway, I'm going to put this in here. And I have some green garlic. See that I started? I'm going to snip off some of this and use this instead of the whole garlic clove. The taste will be milder, but I don't mind that. So you only really need so much. I'm loving this windowsill gardening this year. My stuff has grown. I started this probably about 2 weeks ago, and look at them. I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, I'm going to snip these and use them in the pan as well. And I'll probably put some on the top when I finish. And as I said, this is a milder, it gives it a milder taste. They smell absolutely delicious though. Wow, I can smell that fragrance. All right, while I'm waiting for that to warm up, I also have some rosemary here, dried rosemary, that I have put in some grapeseed oil. It's soaking, and I'm going to brush this on the pork chops as I cook them. Okay, it looks like the chops are ready. I'm going to go ahead and start putting them in. And I'm just going to do them 2 at a time because I don't want to crowd the pan. Turn up the heat a little bit so I can get them going. And as I said, I have I'm going to brush the top with some rosemary. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 in. This smells so good. That rosemary, oh my goodness, you can smell that. It smells so good. And I'm going to repeat the same thing that I did with the first top. Now the reason why I put oil with the rosemary is because it's dry, and this kind of brings it back to life a little bit better so that you can get more of the flavor out of it as well. I mean, dry herbs are usually stronger as far as like their flavor, but I like to use oil to like bring it out and just, so I can get the best of the flavor out of it. Red of the rosemary. And this is what I do with all of my dry herbs when I'm using them. I mean, I prefer fresh, but they don't last as long. If I'm not using them right away, I feel like I'm wasting money because then they go bad. So next I'm going to go ahead and put the pork chops back in the pan. Just like that. And even though I cut them in half, there still looks like, they're thick enough still. As I said, I don't really like real thick pork chops. As you can see, do you see how quick that was? I'm going to spoon some of this over the top. And there you go. That took less than 10 minutes, okay? Clean eating on a slow Sunday. I'm going to add make some salad with this, I guess. And I will bring everything together. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Absolutely. And here is everything all done with the pork chops. Wow. And here it is. I plated it up with some nice iceberg lettuce. I made a salad with some nutritional yeast, Italian seasoning, lemon pepper. This is going to be delicious. I've been waiting for this all day, and I now get to taste it. Oh my goodness. This pork looks so good. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. It's tasty. It's tender. And I mean, this is what I like about ordering from farms, because the authentic taste actually comes through. Not some little watery stuff that they put in the meats in the store. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. The salad is good. Well, my salad's always good. I didn't have anything else to put in it, but that's okay. As I said, I added some Italian seasoning to that, some lemon pepper, and then I put a little bit of nutritional yeast instead of cheese, and that's working for me. So, thank you for stopping by today. And if you want to see more of my content, come on over to Substack, where I have my YouTube posts, my YouTube channel, I should say, my videos. I have my podcast, um, my affirmations, articles, you name it, I have it. So stay safe, and I'll talk to you later.